In this video, we will show you how to use iSteady X2 for the first time. First, please open the outer packaging. Take out the gimbal and its accessories. Attach a tripod to the gimbal, which allows it to put on the table. iSteady X2 comes with a new ergonomic handle and give a pleasurable feeling when gripped in your hand. Wireless remote is capable to remotely control the camera movement, photo, video taking, and other functions. Mounting, balancing, and activation. When powering on gimbal at first use, activation is required through Hohem Pro app. Once the download is finished, please log in or register in the app to prepare for connecting the gimbal. Please unfold the gimbal and pull the phone clamp until the arm is vertical. Screw up the knob. Turn the Hohem logo upward. Put your phone stuck in the bottom of phone clamp and pull the head of phone clamp to mount your phone. Ensure that the phone is clinged to the rubber mat. Power on the gimbal after sliding the phone and clamping it in the middle. The Bluetooth indicator will flash alternately in red and green after booting up, and the gimbal will enter a to-be activated state. Turn on the phone Bluetooth, log into the Hohem Pro app, click Start button. Select the device, pairing through Bluetooth connection. Follow the prompts to proceed to the next step. Create your account and password. Click to log in. Click to activate. Once gimbal activation is completed, there will be beep sound for noticing, and Bluetooth indicator will stay green. Buttons control. 1. Function power button. Single press to switch the landscape and portrait modes. Double press to recenter the gimbal. Long press the function button to power on and power off. 2. Joystick. The joystick is used for controlling the camera direction. 3. Shutter button. Single press to take a photo. Double press to switch photo, video modes. Single press to start recording. Single press to end recording. Triple press to switch front-rear cameras. 4. Zoom slider. Push up for zoom in. Push down for zoom out. You can also enter the Hohem Pro app to select video template in the moment mode by just one click. Remote control. The remote control can remotely control the camera direction, photo taking, recording, switch working modes, and so on, which is convenient for single or groups to do selfie. First, long press to turn on the gimbal. Open the Hohem Pro app on your phone for Bluetooth connection. Press the function button of the gimbal 7 times once the gimbal is turned on. The Bluetooth light will flash alternately in yellow and green and enter the pairing mode. Then, turn on the remote control. The remote control will automatically pair the gimbal within 3 seconds. After successful pairing, the gimbal Bluetooth light stops flashing alternately in yellow and green. After entering the remote control pairing mode, single tap the function button of gimbal to cancel pairing. After entering the remote control pairing mode, double tap the function button of gimbal to clear the paired remote control and cancel pairing. If there is no operation within 30 seconds after entering the remote control pairing mode, the gimbal will automatically exit the remote control pairing mode. Navigation buttons. Navigation up-down buttons to control default settings zoom in-out mode. Navigation left-right buttons to control camera direction. Long press the M button. The indicator light turns cyan. Navigation up-down buttons to control camera direction. Image zoom mode. The gimbal does not tilt up or down, but pan left or right. Long press the M button to switch between zoom in-out mode and navigation mode. Navigation mode, the gimbal can tilt up or down and pan left or right. Shutter button. Single press to take photo, start or end recording. Double press to switch the photo and video modes. Triple press to switch the front and rear cameras. Function button. Single press to switch the landscape and portrait modes. Double press to recenter the gimbal. Triple press to take auto rotation inception video. M button. Single press for pan and tilt follow mode. Double press for pan follow mode. Triple press for all lock mode. Quadric press for POV, all follow mode. Storage. Long press function button to power off. Take out the device. Loosen the knob. Fold the gimbal as shown. Storage completed. Thanks for watching.